This conference will now be recorded.
Yes, guys. So good evening again. Now we'll start our session, guys. So we completed two demos, guys, in the previous demos. So what is required Python? Why should required to learn Python? Okay, and using the Python, what kind of applications we can design, and futures of the Python, history of the Python. We discussed, guys, all basic points. Okay, so these all things we discussed. Okay. So just you can see here in the last session. So here some definitions we discussed, guys. What is software? What is software means? Software is nothing but collection of or a set of instructions, guys. You know, wait, yeah. What is program, guys? First, what is program? A program is nothing but a set of instructions or collection of instructions are called a program, guys. Called a program. So here each line is called one statement. Okay, statement. In each statement, something instruction pass into the computer. So in this statement, 10 value store into a variable, that instruction passing. So inside the Python in memory allocation. So creating one memory in that storing the 10 value, and that memory referencing to the variable A, guys. Variable A. What is variable? These all things later we will discuss. Just wait. Okay. Like that, in each instruction, something pass into the computer and executing. Okay. So set of instructions is nothing but program. This is addition program. And what is software means? Set of programs or collection of programs are called as software. For example, calculator software, if you are taking, in that addition programming, subtraction programming, and multiplication programming, division programming, like several things there, guys. Several things there. Clear this one? Yes. And using Python, what kind of applications we can design means these all we can design it. So web applications we can design nothing but Amazon, Zomato, like that. For example, web applications I'll show you here. Can see here. Okay. So these kind of applications we can call like web applications, guys. So here the front end designing is there, back end designing is there, and database communication also is there. Okay. So this is like one blog application, guys, so like a social media blog application. So here your company related logo you can display, guys. You can maintain here if you want. Okay. So for example, if you are belongs to TCS, your TCS related logo icon you can display, or TCS, like you can display title name. That's your wish. Okay. And here some menus there. So according to your requirement, depending on your requirement, you can use the required menus here. So here menus, some menus I use left side, and some menus I use right side, guys. Okay. So sometimes when mouse moving on here, immediately like on pop up we will display here again number of so links there, guys. A number of menus there. Okay. So like you can display it depending on the requirement. So here if I'm clicking the register, then registration page will display here. Okay, your username, your email, your password, confirmation password, like asking, guys. Okay. And if I'm clicking the login, after registration we can do the login. So if you are giving perfect username password, then successfully login. Otherwise you can click the forget password. So it will ask your old password. Okay. So again you can update new password, you can generate new password, you can generate for your email. So whenever you are clicking this one, it is asking one email. If you are giving your email here properly, to your email one link sending, and you need to open your email there. Sometimes OTP is coming, or sometimes links coming. When you are clicking that link again, so you can change the password. Okay. And here in the home menu, guys, home menu, so articles are used, guys. Articles, for example, in the Facebook or Twitter, if you are taking, so users posting some articles, guys. Users tweeting some messages. Okay. So for example, here who is the user means Virat is the user. when this person posting this article, when this person posting this article means in so and so date he posted, in so and so date he posted. This date format, whatever the format we want, we can display. For example, if I want a slash separation, I can display instead of peb guys, instead of peb, so 02, if you want number you can use it, or else a full month you can use it. That is all depending on our requirement. Okay, so this is who is the author, okay, or else who is the user, and when this particular article posted, what is this article title, this is the title, what is this article title, about this article something content guys. Just I given here one line only. If you want multiple paragraphs also you can write about the Python, so you can write big paragraphs also. Okay, so this is about the Python one article. Next, one more article about the Django here I given. Okay, so who created, when created, what is the article name, and what is the content of that article. Okay, like we can maintain guys. This is the particular user related profile pic guys, particular user related profile pic. If you want you can update also this profile pic, or if you want you can change this post, okay, post you can update or you can delete, okay, whatever you want you can do it guys. So if you are posting article, your post you can update or you can delete, but others post, the posts which are shared by other people, those posts just we can see only, we cannot update, we cannot delete guys. Am I right? In Facebook or Twitter, we are doing that one only. So just ourselves we can create new article or new post, later we can update that or we can delete that, but others posted post we can see only, we can't do update or delete. Okay, these all things how we are controlling. So in this program you will get it guys. So in our course only I will take care about this project. Okay, day one something, day two something, day three something, like that multiple days we will do, and we will get these all things. So okay, for example here multiple articles there guys, assumption, just now I created only two, for example 100 articles there, just assumption 100 articles there. So if I'm clicking here, only out of 100 only this one filtered, only that particular article only filtered, about this one you can read it. Okay, and for example if I'm clicking here, okay, name guys, for example one article created by Virat, another article created by Rohit, one more article created by Dhoni, like if multiple articles there. Okay, so Virat person created two or more articles. For example, if I'm clicking on that username, this particular person created all articles filtering. Okay, right now here only two articles there, that's why you are not understanding okay properly. If many articles there, then you will understanding filtering operations also, filtering operations also. Okay, and this person created totally how many posts. Okay, posts created by Virat, how many means two only. Okay, for example this person created 20 articles guys, assumption 20 articles this person created. So if I want to see these all 20 articles, big pagination coming here. Okay, like this pagination coming guys, so we need to go down from top to bottom to see all the articles. So to overcoming that problem, we can use a pagination concept guys. We can use pagination. Pagination means here some page numbers we are getting guys. Some page numbers we are getting 1 2 3 4, and the next page, last page, first, previous, like some buttons we can create. If I'm clicking last button, directly jumping to the last article. If I'm clicking the first button, directly jumping to the first. For example here numbers there 1 2 3 4, like that, whatever the page number I'm clicking, that page related records only displaying. These all things here you will get it guys. See here side you can display some advertisements, some advertisements or some interview questions, whatever you want display you can display. For example, if I'm clicking these top questions, okay, so see here I'm clicking this latest post. So what are the latest posts? For example, 100 posts if available, only latest two posts only I want to display. Then those two posts are displaying here. Okay. So if I'm clicking these top questions, right now just this is not activated. Okay. If I'm activating this link, For this one more HTML page we are writing, whenever we are clicking, so interview questions here displaying number of questions. Okay, na? And for example, and you can also see here, this is header bar, and here footer bar is there, bottom footer bar is there. Okay, and this is the main body, guys. This is the main body, and this main body again dividing like two pieces, guys. So this is the left body, this is the right body, guys. Okay, so it means one page only, multiple sections wise divided. Okay, how we are managing that, we can do it. See here, in the large screen, all the menus are available in horizontally. Okay, and here also see here side by side is there. When my screen size less than to medium size, guys, multiple screens there, guys. A large device is there, extra large device is there, medium device is there. Okay, small device, extra small device. See up to here medium, guys, up to here medium. When screen size is less than to medium, see here, so these all displaying not side by side, down by down. Okay, one after another displaying. And also here you can see all the menus are hiding, guys. All the menus are hiding here. Okay, na? All the menus are hiding. Whatever I'm clicking, so that related current page will open. Okay, so in this page, what we are able to see on the screen, these all things nothing but presentation logics, guys. Presentation logics. Okay, na? So presentation logics using the UI technologies we are developing. So UI technologies nothing but using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, like that. Understanding? Okay. And now see here, whenever I'm clicking this registration page coming, and here I'm giving username, email, password, like that details, and I'm clicking this sign up button. Okay, now taking this username, email, password, and confirmation password, going to the backend side, nothing but server side application. Okay, in the server side we are comparing username is there or not, email is there or not, if available proper format is there or not, password and confirmation password both are matching or not, like everything checking in the server side logics, guys. Okay, so if everything is properly there, then we are sending to the database. So all registered users data we are storing into the database. Later we can log in. At the time of login, database data we can use it. Got it? So this is a complete full stack application, guys. Like this many kind of applications we can do it, guys. For example, this is one application. Okay, so I want to do the CRUD operations. I want to do the CRUD operations. CRUD means creating, updating, reading, deleting. It means I want to create data into database, I want to read the data from database, I want to update the data into the database, I want to delete the data from database. Okay, so all operations I want to be performed. So uh, normal users, the people who are using our application, so they are interesting to use GUI menus, guys. GUI means graphical user interface. If they want to create new employee record, so here if they are clicking one employee form displaying. Okay, enter your employee number, employee name, salary, address, mobile number, like that asking, just user entering data and submitting. Okay, if they want update, then update button they are clicking. If they want to delete, then simply delete button they are clicking. Okay, so like that always normal users they are interested to use GUI menus. So that's why as a developer we need to be use presentation or UI technologies to developing the GUI menus. Okay, so here just I'm clicking create button. If I don't want to be create, just click on go to home button. Again coming to the table. Okay, and for example, I'll give you here employee number 40, employee name Rahul I'm giving, and the salary I'm giving this 70k, guys. 70k I'm giving, and address I'm giving Pune, and email I'm giving, and just I'm creating. Okay, click the create button. It means the all data sending to the backend side, and we are checking all data and storing into DB. whatever the data available in database, again getting back nothing but reading and displaying in table format, like multiple operations performing here at a time. Okay, so I want to be update, guys. So just now I created this last record. I want to be update this one I created, guys. Okay, I want to be update that. Click the update button. See, with the existing data coming. So 70,000, I'm changing to 75 and click the create. Okay, see guys, 75,000 coming. And if they want delete, so you can click the delete. Before deleting, it is asking confirmation. Are you sure you want to delete this particular Rahul object? Yes, I want delete. Then you can click here. No, I don't want to be delete. Then you can click here. Understanding? So this is all front end with back end with the database communication. Okay. So this is a client side application. Browser is nothing but client side. When we are clicking particular button, something happened. That is server side logic. Okay. And this data we are displaying is because of the database. Clear, guys? So here some filters there, guys. Uh, by using register, you can do some registrations and all registered data available in the database. Later you can log in. For example, I'll do the login here. Already I created some data. Yes. See here one pop-up message also you are getting, your login done successfully, and you can close that. So here three users registered. If many users there, just you can filter, guys, here using username or using first name or using last name. You can filter out. For example, I'm using here Dhoni. Dhoni I'm using and clicking. See if that username related any record there, so that record or those records filtered. Okay, na? So filtering the records from database is more important. Okay, and here whatever you want you can see, guys. See here, after registration we can log in. After login we can see these menus. Login and registration, hideout. I mean minimize it, guys. I mean simply hiding. So if I'm clicking here profile, we can see the profile information. Just I'm giving the what is mail, what is name, like that, something name only. If I want to be change the password, so your old password, okay, and your new password, confirmation password, you can give it and you can save it. Simply I'm clicking the logout. See here before logout, search button. If I'm clicking, I'm getting this page. So whenever I'm clicking logout, okay, so my page logged out successfully. That's why it is showing again login. So without login, if I'm clicking search button, so not showing a table format data. It means only login people can see my existing users information. Who can see, who cannot see, we can customizing. Got it, guys? And sometimes like this form validations we are doing, so asking your full name, email, mobile number, drop downs. Okay, this is a multi selection, guys. So select options and the genders, hobbies, like all asking. I'm not giving any data, just simply I'm clicking submit. See immediately errors coming. Please enter your full name, enter your email, like that. Okay, I'm giving Virat. Just see here. For this, no error is there. It means given name, but email not given. That's why showing error. Okay. Here, country I'm selecting India, and you can click here. So country also not showing error. It means at a time checking, guys, which fields having data, which fields not having data. The fields which are missing the data, those are displaying the error message. Okay. So like that, many things we are doing, guys. So in Python full stack course. Python full stack course. So here we are using pure Python with the Django framework along with UI technologies using MySQL DB or MongoDB. Clear so far? So here artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, like so many other guys. So these all kind of applications we can do it using Python. And already I said in the last session history of the Python. Okay. So in the year 1989, about the Python implementation started, and in the year 1991 released, guys. Okay, in the year 1991, Python was released as a free and open source. Okay, and who released means Guido van Rossum is the author of Python, guys. Guido van Rossum re- introduced this Python language, guys. So he is a mathematical scientist. He is working in CWI Institute, which is available in Netherlands. So in the next session, I will share you material. In that material, you will get this all information more clearly. Okay, why this language name taken Python only? Why not other name means? So our Guido van Rossum loving one famous British comedy movie, which name is Monty Python Circus Flying. Monty Python Circus Flying. So that's why our Guido van Rossum taken this language name as Python. Okay, in this name Python is there, so this Python is taken. Okay, and versions, three versions, there are three types, 1x, 2x, 3x, like that. So in 1x version, 1 is the major one, x is the minor one. Okay, so like 0, 1, 2, 3, 1.0, 1.2, 1.3, like that, many versions there. Later 2x released up to 2.7, and later 3 released. Okay, so right now 3.11 there is 3.11. So officially Guido van Rossum released these two versions not supporting nowadays. So only 3x version supporting. From 3.6 onwards, any version you can use right now. In the real time, people are using 3.7, 3.10 right now. Okay. The last session, I showed these all things. So Python versions, Wikipedia. In Wikipedia about the Python version, you can see. See guys here, versions there. Okay. So this is a future release. In this time, 2023, in October month, they are planning to release this 3.12. So it means some group of people working in this version. Okay, right now I already released this version, and this is the latest version, guys. Okay, so these are the right now industry people using these versions, and these all are old versions. These all are old versions. Okay, from 3.7 onwards, people are using in the real time. So these all are nothing but like stabilized versions, guys. Stabilized versions. Okay, stable version. So LTS versions we are calling. LTS means long term support. Clear? Yes. So up to here we completed. So again, many features also explained, guys, all the points. Python features. Python is a simple language. Python is more easy. Python is expressive. Python language is a dynamic language. Python language is a interpreter language. Python is extendable, embeddable, and supporting all major databases. Given these all points. Okay. So don't worry, these all are theoretical points, only basic points, and I will share the material about these all things. So just you can spend 1 hour time for reading. You will understand everything clearly. Okay? Yeah. So today, guys, Python downloading and installing. We will see, guys. Python downloading and Python downloading and installing part. We will see here. So if you want to be downloading, Python official site is there, guys. www.python.org is the official site. So here downloads downloads there, guys. So this is official site, guys. Just you can see here Python org, and now here download there. Okay, so just you can click this one, this latest version downloading, and later we can install it. Before downloading, you can check it. Your system belongs to Windows OS or Linux or Mac OS, you can check it. Okay, any other older versions if you want, you can download here bottom there guys. Whatever you want, you can use it. As a student, you can download latest version and you can use that one. Okay now, so just you can click on this, you can click on this, one exe file will download guys. One exe file will download. Okay, so in my system already I downloaded and installed, that's why I don't want to be download now. Okay, just I'll see you, I will show you guys how we are installing all things. So after downloading guys, go to your downloads location. Okay, downloadable location, go there, python exe file is there, just double click on that and next follow the next step. So just you can see here, uh, python installation steps, python installation steps, like you can google it. Okay, you get many screens guys. See here. Hmm. See guys, here downloading link is there, downloading link. After downloading, after downloading, so one exe file will come. When you are clicking on that exe file, like this open, like this open guys. So here by default in this C drive location installing, C drive location. Okay, and custom location, if you want you can select this one. As a student, choose this C drive location only guys, a default one. So simply you can click on here, you can click on here. Okay, so next same time here the add path radio button, checkbox also there, add path, you can select this one. So if you are using this, if you are selecting this one, python installation path environment variables also adding automatically. If you are forgetting this one, no problem, later manually also we can add it. Okay, so automatically if you want to add the environment variable section, then you can select this one checkbox. Okay, so custom location, if you are selecting guys like this, asking what you want like that. So if you are selecting this default one, install now C drive location, then it is not showing this menu, all automatically coming. Simply you need to be click next like that. Okay, so finally like this install coming, click that install. So sometimes process installation process going like that. Okay, installation process going like that. After completing, you will get this message, setup was successful. Okay, so I will show you the screens also guys. So I saved some screens also. Okay, so installation screens, everything you will get it. Hmm. So after installation and completing, environment variables, Python environment variables, we need to be add it guys. So why environment variables means, so our OS must be required to understanding where this Python software is available. Okay, or really Python software is available or not like that. If you want to execute the Python files, then so environment variable setup is important. So we can add it manually, if not adding automatically. Okay now. So I will show you these all screens also, ready-made screens there. So at the time of installing in my computer, I taken screenshots. I will share those all things. So this is called environment variable guys. This is the Python path. After installing in this default location storing, so we have in the environment variable section path variable, there we are adding. I will show you these all things manually. Okay, so just assumption you are downloading and installing everything. Okay, so later we need to be verify it really downloaded and installed or not. So simply command prompt you can open guys, command prompt. So in your system your username will come, in my system, so I use this Lenovo name. Okay, now here just you can type the Python, you can type the Python. Okay, so if it is adding environment variables properly, then like this coming guys, triple greater than coming, it means this is the Python prompt. This one Python prompt, here Python programs we can do it. So like this coming guys, like this. Okay now. So if the Python environment variables not adding properly, so when you are using Python and clicking the enter button, then immediately showing one error. So Python was not recognized as an internal or external command. Okay, if not adding environment variable section. So right now here variables adding, that's why automatically coming here environment, Python environment. Okay now. Yes, I'll show you that one. Just wait. And here also in the start menu, Python, you can type it and you can see guys. When we are installing Python software along with Python, so one tool coming, that is the IDLE tool, Python IDLE. This is environment guys, Notepad plus plus. This is one more environment. Here we can uh, develop the Python code. Here we can use Python code, we can test the Python code, we can create the Python code. Okay, so this is a white screen open guys. If you are clicking this one white screen open, one white screen open like command prompt. Okay, and next this one is there guys, this one. Okay, this is like a command prompt, block screen open. Okay, this is we are calling a interactive mode. Okay, this is we are calling shell, simply we are calling Python shell. Python shell guys, Python shell. Okay, here also we can create the Python code and we can execute it. And the documentation about the Python, if you want to be read it, you can use this doc. Okay, so like these things coming guys. So I will show you, see here Python shell I'm opening. See here directly coming the Python shell. Okay, so now here a equal to 10 I'm using, and then print of a, so a value printing guys. Using a we can print the 10. Okay? Like that we can test it Python. Later I will do more testings. So this is Python shell guys. So this is we are using for only testing purpose only, small Python testing purpose only. So here I created a value 10 into a variable and I'm printing here. Okay, if you want to create hundreds of lines code, this is not good. Hundreds of lines code if you want to create, this cell is not good. For that we are using other one. Okay, and so ideally also you can open ideally. So this is opens white screen. Okay, see guys, here same like this one only there. Okay, here and here same syntax there. So this is we are calling this is also called cell only guys, but ideally cell. Here also same thing we can do it. See here the print a like that. Okay, so in this block screen or in this white screen, anywhere we can create code and we can execute it. Both are for just normal practice purpose only and basic code purpose only. If you want to create the many lines, multiple lines of code in your program, then these tools are not useful. Okay, not suitable guys. We need to use some other things. Come on, up to here clear both of you. So after installing the Python software, we are getting this Python shell black screen and white screen related. This is ideally. Okay. So both we are using for testing purpose only. This ideally is acting like again two ways guys. This is acting like again two ways. So one is interactive cell, interactive mode, and another one is batch mode. Okay, this ideally is acting like a two ways. One is interactive mode and another one is batch mode. In interactive mode like this basic code we can create and we can test it. Simply we can execute. So here created 10 value into a variable and printing data, printing data. Now inside the a variable, what type of value is there? Integer value is there. So if you want to be know that, type method is there, guys. Type of a, it representing int, means integer value is there. For example, b equal to 20.50. This is a float. So type of b, then float representing. Okay. C equal to Ravi. This is the string, guys. Name. So name is nothing but like strings, guys. So type of C, we can get a string, str representing the string. So these all data types later I will take care more clearly. Don't worry. Okay. So it means in a particular variable, what type of value is there? If you want to know, then we can use the type method. So like this basic testing purpose, we can use this interactive mode, guys. But if you want to be write a group of lines code at a time, okay, here after writing this single line, whenever I'm clicking enter button, immediately this line executing. Okay, each line executing immediately, guys. So at a time, if you want to execute a group of lines, for example 100 lines I want to write, all 100 lines at a time I want to be execute. If you want to be do like that, so you need to be use batch mode. You need to be use what? Batch mode. So batch mode, if you want to be open batch mode, see here file is there, guys. Click on this file. So again here. Hmm. So click on this file, guys. See here. um, Wait, this one is stucking. Hmm. Now here click on this file. Now here lot of menus there, guys. So new file is there. Simply control N. Click on this control N, guys. Okay. Click on the file. Click on the control new file, or else press the control N. Then one notepad open, guys. This is a Python notepad. So here you can type it many lines code at a time. A equal to 10, b equal to 20, c equal to a plus b, and next print of C. Okay, now 4 lines I created. So at the time of executing this program, then line by line executing. Okay, na? So if you want to be write like this many lines of code, you can do like this. Now this is untitled, guys. So it means we are not saving. We need to be saved that one. Click on the file. Click on the save. Simply control yes. So it will open like this. By default, Python software location only showing. Where your Python software is there, they're only trying to save this file. So don't disturb these all Python software related folders. Okay. So create any one folder in your system. Go to there and save there and later execute there. Okay. For example, right now I want to be save it in the desktop, guys. Okay. So select this desktop. So in this desktop I want to be save it, guys. In this desktop I want to be save it. So here demo, guys. Demo demo.py I'm using. Okay. So any file name .py, any file name .py is Python file extension. Save it. Yes, saved. See, file name is demo.py, which is available in the desktop. Okay. Yes. Later, if you want to execute this program, now here run there, guys. Click on the run, and next click on what? Run module. Simply shortcut is F5. If I'm clicking here, output will come here. Okay. So again comes to here. Here you can write different messages. For example, print hello VLR. Okay. So again you can click, see here, hello VLR, like you are getting. Okay. So guys, Here we are writing the code, and here we can see the output. Okay, so like this, here many lines of code we are writing. When we are executing, output will display here. Like that we are writing the Python code. Okay na? Okay, I'm closing this both today. So again tomorrow I want to be open, guys. Tomorrow I want to be open. Then ideally again you can open like this coming. So click on this file. Now here open is there. Control O. Click on this open and then choose your file where it is available. Go to the desktop. Now this is my file. Select this, open. Like this, open. The size you can reduce for your convenience purpose, and later you can type it here. Okay, these all are basic things, guys. Okay, so I want to be show you the environment variables adding section. So after downloading and installing, where your Python software is there means you can see here. So go to your drives location. So go to the C drive. So in the C drive users there, in the users public, yeah, Windows, guys. What is my system default? C users Lenovo. C users Lenovo, guys. C users in this Lenovo, guys. So this is my username. Okay. In your system, maybe your name is there. Your name is there. Okay. C users Lenovo. Now here, where Python software is there, I want to see, guys, where Python software is there. So at the time of installing, here you are getting one screen. You can see. See, guys, C drive users, or else you can see the top screen also, no problem. See here, C drive users, your username, inside that app data. So where it is there, app data here, not there. Simply you can click on here, guys, view. You can click on this view. Okay. Now here hidden item checkbox there. You can select this hidden items. Okay. So I'm selecting this. After selecting that hidden items, so then app data folder enabled. By default, this app data folder is disabled, hiding. Okay, when we are selecting that hidden checkbox, then enable this folder. So now go to this side, inside that. Next, so you can check it here. So app data, local programs, software. Okay, so now here app data, program, local. Now here programs, and then Python software, your version. So this is Python software location, guys. Okay, na? So here Python exe there, guys. The Python file is there. This is the Python executable file. This is the main Python software file. Python interpreter we are calling. Python interpreter. This is required to execute the Python programs. So this one where available, that path we need to be give it. Okay na? So click on here, select this entire path. This is we need to be add in the environment variable section. So later I will add it, just I will copy paste here. Okay, and next in this folder only we have the script folder, guys. Okay, go to inside that. Now here pip is there, guys. Pip there. So later I will tell about this pip. Where this pip is available, this location also we need to be give it. So that's why up to this scripts folder we need to be copy. Okay, this is a Python software related, this is a pip related location. These two things we need to be add in environment variable section. Hope you understanding? Just one more time you can see, I will show you. So go to the drive location. Okay, go to the C drive. Next users, your username, and app data if not there, click on view, check on this hidden item checkbox, and then go to the app data. go to the local, go to the programs, and then software, again go inside, now up to this path one time, and go to inside this place up to this one more time. Okay, these two things where we are adding, I will tell you. So open this. Now right click on, guys, right click on this PC, right click on this PC. Okay, and click on this properties, click on this properties. Okay na? Okay, properties, it will open one window, it will open one window. Now here advanced system settings, there click on advanced system settings, and you don't worry, these all things available in material also. Next what need to do like that. Okay, okay, click on advanced system settings, like this open, guys. So this one only selected, advanced. Okay, so now here environment variable, there click on this, click on this environment variable. Now here user variable section, system variable section, two sections there. Inside here or inside here, anywhere you can add the environment variables, no problem. Okay, yes. Now here path variable is there, guys. A path variable is there. Okay, so now double click on here, it will open like this, it will open like this. Okay, now you can see here, this is scripts folder location, this is Python software location. Here available pip, here available pip. Pip means Python installer package, and this is belongs to interpreter, Python interpreter software. Interpreter nothing but Python software. Okay, these two things we need to be give here. If not available these two things here, just last line double click here, just copy paste. Already here we copy na. Okay, so one time this one copy, and here click, double click it, paste it. Otherwise you can click this new also, directly coming to here only. Okay na. Whenever you don't want, for example this one, if you don't want, select that, you can click delete, like that. Okay, so or else if you are not clicking this path variable, path environment, so simply you can click here new variable name path we are giving, this path we are giving here, and whatever the path we copied here, okay, Python path, so that is we are pasting here. Okay na? And then after copy pasting, then OK button enabled, you can click it. So like that we are adding. I hope you are understanding how to adding environment variables. Okay, if these things not adding in command prompt, when you are typing Python, then Python not recognized, like one error showing as not recognized as an internal or external command, like one error showing. So if you are getting that error, we need to be add environment variables auto manually we need to be add it. Okay na? So end of the session, if you are having any doubts related to installation, let me know, guys. So I will tell one more time. Okay, so I will show you this, I will share you these all screens also, so there you will get all these things whatever I'm showing right now. See, one more time, you can see, guys. So in the PC, right click on properties, and the window open. Next this one, advanced system settings, click on here. Okay, and next this one, automatically selecting this one, and after that click on here, guys. Okay, environment variable section, and now next double click on this path, and then here paste it, and all you can close it. Okay, so after that we can use that ideally. Ideally software directly we can use without adding environment also, but using command prompt, if you want to be get Python, then you need to be add environment. Okay, here see I'm using Python, and whatever I want I can do it. For example, print hello, hello, I'm printing. So this is command prompt guys, command prompt. After using here Python and clicking enter, then Python prompt to open. Now again I want to come back to the command prompt. I want to go to the command prompt from Python. Simply Control Z. Okay? Press the Control Z and click the enter. Command prompt will come. And when you are typing the Python, Python will come. Okay? Or else exit also you can use. Exit method is there. Using the exit, we will get the command prompt back. Okay? So after opening the IDLE like this coming, so click file, new file, simply Control N will open like this, and here you can type whatever the code you want. For example, just welcome welcome message I'm doing. Okay, so Control yes, saving. So by default, Python software location open. These all are along with the software coming folders. So don't save here. Don't disturb this one. Okay. Even you are saving here also no problem. Will execute your program, but don't disturb this one. Separately in separate place you can save it. Desktop I'm selecting. There I'm going to add demo 2. Okay. .py. So here .py also if you are not using, no problem here. Save as type what? Python only there. That's why automatically Python type only saving. Save. So then you can see here where it is saving. And you can click the run F5. Okay, automatically output will come. Clear so far? Installation, downloading, installing, and after installing environment variables how we are adding, and after that first program how we are creating, where we are saving, how we are executing. Okay, and basic methods guys. Print is one function. Okay, here function or method same, don't get confusing. Later coming days you will get clarification what is function, what is method. Okay, now print is one predefined function in Python software. Okay, use print, we can display something message whatever we want. So in between the single quotes or double quotes, we can display anything else, normal messages. Okay, so hello student, for example, that is as it is displaying hello student, like that. So if you want to be print something output, then using print method we can display it simply. Okay, a equal to something value. Now print of a, yeah, just you are using this variable name only. In this variable we have this value that is displaying, you know, like that. Okay, next we have the type method guys, type function simply. Okay, so what is the use of this type, what is the use of this type function means? So in for example a equal 10, this line after executing, so when memory is creating in Python memory allocation, so in that memory allocation, okay, so this value storing, and now here this is representing by variable here. Okay, so now here type of a, if I'm using here type of a, type of a if I'm using, so a representing which memory? This memory. In this memory what type of value is there? What type of value is there? That is displaying. So this is a int. Simply you are going to get class int, class int, like that you're getting nothing but integer type. If it is float value, then class float type you are getting. If it is a string, then str you are getting, like that data type you can get it. Okay, so now here type of a int. Next b, I'm getting what 10.50. This is what float. So type of b, float you are getting. Okay na? So for example, name equal to Ravi, guys. Name equal to Ravi. So strings, guys, are using in between the double quotes or in between the single quotes we can write. Okay. See here, print name, and you are getting, and this name using single quotes also we can get it. Okay. So Ramu or Ramu you are getting. In between single quotes or in between double quotes we can write the string value, and type of name is string. Okay, so that is the use of type function, guys. And also one more id is there, guys. id of a, id of b, id of a, id of name, like we can get it here. One integer value we are getting, this is like a address, guys. Simply you can see a equal to 10, a equal to 10. If you want to be print that, if you want to be print that reference value, print function you are using. If you want to know type of this one, so then type function we can use. Address of this a, if you want to be know, you can get this one. See here, guys, when this line executing, actually, so like this one memory creating, that memory this value saving, and this is representing by a, like that. One memory in the Python memory allocation like this creating by Python after executing this line, guys. Okay, so if we are using print function, so this a reference holding the value 10, this one printing. Okay, if you are using the type function in this memory, what type of value is there, the type only displaying. Okay, and here internally like this, something numbers, guys. Okay, something blah 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 blah. For every memory, guys, one id also creating. For every memory, one id also creating. Okay, so this memory related id is what, if you want to know, then id function we can use. Okay, so one memory related id, if you want to get id function you can use. In that memory, what type of value is there, if you want to be know, type function you can use. In that memory, what value is there, if you want to display, then print function you can use. These three are general functions which we are using regularly depending on the requirement. Depending on requirement, basic functions, basic functions. Slowly, multiple functions we will discuss. Are you guys following? Yes, guys. So up to here enough for this day, and tomorrow onwards more coding wise we will discuss. Thank you for this day.